Earth date 11th, 8th, 18. We have been on this track for 3 hours now and have covered a total of 45 kilometres. Is there any in there?
Very jammed up in there. Roast chicken, boneless, 3 cheese and bacon. That's what she looks like. Take that out. What's taking so long, Captain?
Well one. Number one. That's it.
Oh, well, hello, peeps. What a depressing day. Horrible day. Well, not horrible, but better than being at work. Nanny's roof rack was coming off, or Mum's roof rack was coming off the D-Max, so we had to rebolt that down. One of her nuts has gone missing off the spotlight. And I had a rattle underneath my car, so I had to look underneath. The bash plate was pretty much loose, so I had to re-tighten it up. We'd lost 2 bolts, so I had to try and fabricate another couple of bolts to get in there. And all that mucking around this morning, we got into Billiluna and missed the fuel station by a matter of minutes. 11 o'clock they close, reopen at 2 o'clock. And yeah. So now we're stuck out in the middle of nowhere because we need fuel to be able to start the Canning stock route. So it's not like we can just go down to the next fuel station, which is 680k away. Yeah, so we're just sitting out here in the middle of nowhere. It's quite nice actually, in amongst all the ghost gums. Yeah, ghost gums, aren't they? Yeah, so, well, technical term from Sean, trees. Word of the day, trees.
Word of the day, corrugation.
Corrugation. Mum is sick of the corrugation. But anyway, we're going to go and get some fuel. We'll make our way out to Stretch Lagoon, and we might end up staying there tonight. It's only 17k down the road, but it's the road apparently. Yeah, we spoke to a few people that have done the stock route, just come off it. Lots of corrugations. Dunes are not very healthy on our side apparently, but we just got to, he said, take the good with the bad. He said what people post on Facebook is nowhere near as bad as what it actually is, but it still is a remote road, remote track, so just got to be very gentle, very careful, and yeah, we'll see how we go. Well, after a 3-hour delay at Billiluna, because the shop closes at 11, reopens at 2.
And the 1.5 hour delay at Wolfe Creek.
And a delay at Wolfe Creek because we had to fix Nanny's mum's car and then fix my car. So that's all good now. We're finally on the stock route and we're doing an incredible 20 kilometres an hour already.
So fast.
and the corrugation is absolutely ridiculous. So if this is what we've got to look forward to, 1,800 kilometres, and we've done 20 so far, it's going to be a great trip. We'll see you next year. Captain's log, Earth date 11th 8th 18. We have been on this track for 3 hours now and have covered a total of 45 kilometres. Is there any end in sight? I don't think so. What do you reckon, number one? She can't help but laugh to try and amuse herself from the boredom. We will get there.
No,
We will see the end.
It's a beautiful little stretch the length of the car for a little bit.
Oh, what is it? Nice. Yeah, that was a bit rocky, that lot.
Well, that little flat that you go across is really nice. Just make sure you flat out on the other end.
Got to catch up some time.
Make up some time. Yeah, watch it till you come out the other side. Hang on the rock again. Yeah. Yep, back on the rock again. Yeah.
Didn't last long.
Nice while it lasted. No, we did.
There it is.
Mm. You made it, Rod. Well, 51. This is that pipe going down into it.
Well, here we are at well 51. That's our first well on the way we're going, because we're going south to north, north to south. In the background there is well 51, very windy. I'm trying to hide the microphone on my phone, it's just blowing a gale, so I hope you can hear me okay. But this is a windmill pumping us little heart out and going nowhere. Spin effects and whatnot. I'm pretty sure that's Toyota Hilux. So yeah, so I've just had a look under mine. There was a couple of little items, but nothing to be worried about. But yeah, in this sort of country, you've got to make sure that you keep an eye on that sort of thing. Otherwise, that's what happens.
Expecting that.
Well, that was an unexpected turn. But it was.
Right. What's that over there?
Alright.
Oh, that's the well.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's our first well. Like,
That's well.
well, exactly. Plenty of camping spots.
You might notice something different about me. I actually look clean. I got white feet again. We just had a shower. We're at the well 49, and they've got showers and whatnot, which is cold showers, but anyway. So I've decided to use this thing, my hot water system. Taylor's having a shower at the moment, so it's running at about 45 degrees. And runs off the pump, out of the drum, on gas, and you're done. You've got beautiful warm water. So we've just, three of us just had a beautiful shower, and it was well worth after 4 days. of using wipes. Yeah, no, it's nice to have a good shower and yeah, so I highly recommend it. Hot Tap, that's what it's called. That's the product of the week.